I'm going to show you exactly how to create viral 3D Pixar-style funny videos using Claude AI, the same type of videos getting 53 million, 61 million, and 163 million views on Instagram right now. Before you think this needs expensive software or editing skills, it doesn't. You don't even need to leave Claude AI. No extra tools, no complicated setup, just a simple prompt. This one Instagram page grew to 300K followers just by uploading these simple 3D cartoon videos. One video hit 53 million views, another hit 61 million. A completely different page has videos sitting at 16 million and 163 million views each. These are not studios, they're regular pages doing exactly what I'm about to show you. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact prompt to paste into Claude AI, how to generate these videos step by step, and how to upload them on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to start getting views and monetize your channel. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create videos just like the ones getting millions of views right now. So make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to show you everything from start to finish. Let's get started. Now let's set everything up so Claude AI can generate videos directly. First, go to Higgsfield AI and create an account or sign in if you already have one. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on MCP and CLI. Here you'll see different integrations, including Claude, Perplexity, Cursor, OpenClaw, and Hermes. So we're using Claude AI for this tutorial. Click on the Claude option. Higgsfield will generate a connection link for you. Simply click the copy button to copy that link. Next, open Claude AI in a new tab. Click on Settings. Scroll down to Connectors, and then click Customize. Now click Add Custom Connector. Give your connector a name. I usually name it Higgsfield AI, so it's easy to recognize later. Paste the link you copied from Higgsfield into the connector field, and leave the remaining settings as they are. Then click Add. After a few seconds, you'll see the connector appear in your list. Click Connect. Claude will now redirect you back to Higgsfield AI. If you're not already logged in, sign in to your Higgsfield account and authorize the connection. You'll be asked to approve a few permissions. You can review them one by one, or simply click Allow All to enable everything required for video generation. That's it. Claude AI is now successfully connected to Higgsfield AI, and now comes the exciting part. In the next step, we're going to use Claude AI to generate our first viral 3D Pixar-style video completely with AI. Now that we've connected Higgsfield AI to Claude, there's one more thing we need to do before we start generating videos. We're going to add a custom skill to Claude AI. This skill contains all the instructions, prompts, and workflows needed to generate these viral 3D Pixar-style videos automatically. Don't worry about creating the skill yourself. I've already prepared it for you, and you'll find the download link in the description below. To add the skill, click on your profile icon in Claude AI and open Settings. Next, go to Connectors and click on Customize. At the top, you'll see a Skills section. Click on it and then click the plus icon on the right side. Now select Create Skill, and from the menu that appears, choose Upload Skill. Upload the skill file that you downloaded from the link in the description. Once the upload is complete, return to the main Claude AI interface. Click on the plus icon, open the Skills menu, and you'll see that the skill has been successfully added. You can also verify that Higgsfield AI is connected by checking the Connectors section. And that's it. Our setup is now complete. Claude AI has the custom skill loaded, Higgsfield AI is connected, and the entire video generation pipeline is ready to go. Now comes the part you've been waiting for. Once you return to Claude AI's main interface, click on the plus icon and select the custom skill that we added earlier. After selecting the skill, simply click Generate. The first thing Claude AI will do is ask you a few questions about your video. For example, it will ask how many scenes you want in your story. I usually choose 4 to 6 scenes because it works great for short-form content. But if you want a longer story, you can choose a higher number. Next, Claude AI will ask about the type of story you want to create. Do you want a funny children's story, a parent and child story, an emotional story, or maybe an action-packed adventure? Choose the category that fits the type of content you want to create. Based on your answers, Claude AI will automatically generate multiple video ideas for you. In my case, it generated 10 different story concepts. Take a look at the ideas and choose the one you like the most. I personally liked idea number 9, so that's the one I selected. As soon as you make your selection, Claude AI starts building the entire story automatically. It breaks down the video scene by scene, creates the storyboard, and plans out everything needed for the final video. Once the storyboard is ready, Claude AI will ask whether you want to create new characters or use existing ones. At this point, Higgsfield AI will open automatically, and you'll see the character generation interface. If you've previously created characters, you can reuse them by selecting Use Existing Characters. But if you're creating a completely new story, I recommend selecting Create New Character. I chose Create New Character. After that, Claude AI and Higgsfield AI begin working together to generate all of the characters based on the story idea we selected. This process may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your story, so just wait for the generation to finish. And once the characters are ready, we're going to move on to the most exciting part, generating the actual scenes and bringing the entire story to life. Now that our characters are ready, it's time to generate the actual video scenes. Type your request in the prompt box, then click the Generate button. Claude AI will automatically communicate with Higgsfield AI and start generating each scene based on the storyboard we created earlier. You'll notice the scenes beginning to appear one by one. Depending on the length and complexity of your project, the generation process may take a few minutes. While the videos are being generated, just wait for all the scenes to finish rendering. Now, sometimes a scene may fail to generate. Don't worry if that happens, because it's very easy to fix. For example, one of my scenes failed during generation. When this happens, the credits are usually refunded automatically by Higgsfield AI. To regenerate the scene, simply return to Claude AI and type a prompt such as, "Please recreate scene 2." Claude AI will resend the request and generate the scene again. As you can see, all of my scenes have now been generated successfully. The next step is downloading the files. To download a scene, click the Download button and then select Open. Once the video opens, click the three-dot menu and download the file directly to your computer. You can also access all of your generated assets from the Higgsfield AI dashboard. There you'll find both the character images and all of the video clips generated for your project. Simply download everything and save it to a folder. And that's it. Our entire video has now been generated with AI. We have our characters, our scenes, and all of our clips ready to go. In the next step, I'll show you how to combine these clips, add sound effects and music, and turn them into a finished viral video ready for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And that's the complete video generation process. The best part is that once you've set everything up, you can repeat this workflow again and again to create multiple videos every day. Using the same skill, the same Claude AI setup, and Higgsfield AI, you can generate new story ideas, create new characters, and produce completely different videos in just a few clicks. Whether you want to create funny videos, emotional stories, family content, action-packed animations, or trending short-form content, the entire process can be repeated for virtually any niche. This means you can consistently upload fresh content to TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts without spending hours creating videos manually. By combining Claude AI with Higgsfield AI, you've essentially built an AI-powered content production system that can generate viral-style videos from a simple idea. But we're not done yet. Right now, we have all of our video clips generated, but they still need to be turned into a polished final video. That's where editing comes in. For this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut, but you can use any video editor you're comfortable with. Now let's put everything together. Open your preferred video editor. In this tutorial, I'm using CapCut, but you can use any editing software you like. Click on the Import button and import all the video clips that we generated with Claude AI and Higgsfield AI. Next, drag all of the clips onto your timeline in the correct order. Start with Scene 1, then Scene 2, Scene 3, and continue until you've arranged the entire story from beginning to end. Once all the clips are in place, it's time to make the video more engaging. Add smooth transitions between scenes, apply visual effects where needed, include background music, and don't forget to add sound effects to make the story feel more dynamic. If you're creating content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, I also recommend adding subtitles because they can significantly improve viewer retention. After you've finished editing, preview the entire video to make sure everything looks good. Then simply click the Export button and render your final video. Congratulations, your viral-style 3D Pixar video is now ready to upload. Before we watch the final result, you'll find the Higgsfield AI link and the custom skill download link in the description below, so you can follow the exact same process yourself. Now let's take a look at the finished video and see what Claude AI and Higgsfield AI were able to create together.
Welty.
You know, Dan, Brady. You're not you to dare fly this. No bad.